This is part 2 of the video, what is flow state. In this video, we'll talk about what is actually happening in our body and brain that we feel very good in the flow state. So there are main neurotransmitters that are working in our body. So we'll talk about them now. So during flow state, our brain releases large amount of norepinephrine, dopamine, endorphins, anandamide and serotonin in our blood, so we feel very good. What these neurotransmitters do is, we'll talk very briefly about all of these. Norepinephrine increases our heart rate and produces more energy by breaking down fat and also increasing our blood sugar levels to increase the energy and sending more energy in our muscles, so obviously we can perform better. Second is dopamine. We all know about dopamine. It is related to reward, motivation and also in motor skills and concentration. Third one is endorphins. It kinda acts like a painkiller in our body. When we exercise or work out or something like that, we feel pain, but our brain releases endorphins, so it can convert that pain into pleasure. So when we feel very good after a workout, actually some of that is just pain, and these endorphins convert it into the pleasure feeling we feel. And another one is anandamide. This is also related to feel good, pleasure, and also called as bliss hormone sometimes, or bliss molecule. And also serotonin is released in our brain. Serotonin is responsible for self-worth and how much we value ourselves. So if our serotonin is very good, we feel that we are very valuable and we feel very high of ourselves, so it's kind of a good thing. So all of these neurotransmitters are released very in large amounts in our brain and body, so we can function on our peak performance. So all these chemicals really help us. What happens is that our brain waves change. Normally our brain waves are in beta waves or theta waves. In flow state, our brain runs on alpha and theta waves. So our brain waves change from beta waves to alpha and theta. So, and all the skills we are using are now controlled by our subconscious brain, the same part which controls our heartbeat and our blood flow and all the things that you are not able to control in your body. So all these functions are controlled by our subconscious brain. So in flow state, whichever sport or skill we are performing is started to control by the subconscious brain. So there is no doubt in our mind because subconscious brain is controlling it. So it results in peak performance and very good feeling of happiness and bliss. So this was the part 2 of the series of flow state. In first video we talked about what is flow state, and in this video we talked about what is happening inside our brain and body. So in the third part, which I'll be uploading very soon, I'll talk about how we can achieve this state. Most of the people have experienced flow state at least once or twice, and all the top athletes and all the high performers already know how to use this state for their benefit. So in the third video, we'll talk about how we can achieve this state. So subscribe to the channel and like the video if you find this interesting, and also press the notification button so you don't miss the third part. And if you haven't watched the first part yet, you should also watch this so that you can better understand this part and the next part. You can also go to the playlists in my channel. I have made some playlists of similar topics, so if you're interested in any of them, you can watch them and take a look that do you like them or not. Tell me in the comments how do you find this flow state idea, and thanks for watching.